I think the fact that we've been together for so long, we've got a lot of players now playing at a good level and in good form as well at the start of the season. I just think the players that we possess at the minute and the fact that we've been together and we know what we're doing. There's nothing, we're going into the campaign settled and just really comfortable with each other and just the experience that we've gained over the last few years, really.
I'm not expecting it to be perfect. It's not going to be. There's no 3G pitch that is. It's different to grass, like the captain said, but we'll get on with it. Whatever it is, we'll adapt to it. Hook or by crook, we've got to come through it. If it plays well, great, and if it doesn't, we have to deal with it. That won't be the reason for a poor performance or not the result we're looking for. We won't blame the pitch. We can't. Like Ashley says, we already discussed it. We know what we're up against. We know what we're on. We just got to get on with it.
What I do know is there's going to be fans. I just spoke to one on the way in there that have spent a lot of money, and it's been very difficult to get here. So first and foremost, we want to put on a good performance and get a result for them. That's the main thing. We want to play well for ourselves and for the fans that are travelling, really. And the most important thing, regardless of anything, is we go back to Wales with the points in our bag. So We understand what type of game this is, and as I said before, we know Andorra, we know the history and all that goes with it, and we're putting that aside and we're trying to get the job done the way we want to get it done, and hopefully that'll be with a good performance and a very entertaining game with the attacking players that we've got. I presume we'll see a lot of the ball, and we might have to open them up at times, but we do have players to do that. So all I can say is, I hope that we put on a good performance and something, that the fans can go home with a smile on their face, having paid out all that money and all the effort to get here.